Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is a crazy aggressive dividends portfolio. We have earned $4.32 in earned dividends since they reset this portfolio. If you don't know, I used to own G-O-V, which was a REIT. And they combined with a different REIT and changed their name to OPI, or Office Properties Income. And M1 Finance had a problem getting my shares to show up in my account, so they did an account reset, and the account reset unfortunately reset all of my dividend tracking inside M1 Finance. So that made it quite a pain in the butt. So now this amount that shows I've made $4.32 is not actually accurate, as I've actually made over $14, probably over $15 in dividends. Anyways, long story short, we are at $1,533.95. We have $1.94 sitting in cash. Dividend wise, we have been paid by all of those, so not too shabby. And we have been paid, and that's it. That's it for this week. So there's that. Let's hop over to the portfolio. It's much easier to do from the spreadsheet as usual. Unfortunately, in the spreadsheet, for some reason tonight, it does not want to pull the dividends from NASDAQ.com, even though the website seems to be working fine. So I'm not sure what's up with that. It's a little annoying, but we will work around it. So the value is $15.33.95. I have deposited $14.55. which means I've actually earned $78.95, and the portfolio is up by 5.43%. Not too shabby, if I say so myself. Dividend-wise, we have earned over $15 in dividends. Since the last reset, we've earned $4.32. This month, we've been paid $3.32 of those dividends. Dividend changes, there has been one dividend change, and that was OPI. They used to give a dividend of $1.72 a year, but now they give $2.20. That is a huge increase. So that was $2.20 minus, I think it was $1.74, did I say? $1.72. $1.72 divided by $1.72. 27.9% increase in dividends. That is amazing. I'm very happy with that. So anyways, let's hop over to our yearly dividends here. Scroll up to the top, and we will sort here, and we can see I'm down in 4 positions out of 48. Yes, out of 48 positions. I'm down in only 4. Unfortunately, one of those 4 is VGR, and it is way down, negative 24%. Down $21.80 on that position. If you don't know what VGR is, it's Vectren. It is a cigarette and tobacco company, and they also invest in real estate, mostly in New York City. So, anyways, yeah, I was really excited about this company, and I still really like this company, but unfortunately, it is not performing well. Second biggest loser is BGS, which again, another company I really like. It's a food company, consumer staples. And then Ford, and then CVI, which is an energy company. All other positions are up. There's been one investing day this week for me, and I deposited $50 this week, which increased my yearly income by $7.43, giving me a yield on cost of 14.86%. Not too bad. We are currently producing $152.26 in dividends per year, or $12.69 per month, giving us an overall return in dividends alone on this portfolio of 10.46%. So if you take that 10.46%, add the 5.43 there, and we're getting, close to 16%, something like that. Not too shabby. That's pretty much all I've got on this portfolio. I haven't done anything spectacular in here. I haven't sold anything recently. Haven't bought any new shares, nothing like that. just the same portfolio I had previously. The majority of it is in, obviously, BDCs and MREITs, and 50-50 there, and then the rest is in aggressive dividends. As you can see, we got almost 60% in the BDCs and MREITs and 40% currently in aggressive dividends. All deposits are currently going in the BDCs and MREITs. In the aggressive dividends, OPI shows I'm down here, but I'm obviously not. I'm actually a big winner in OPI because when Gov and the other one combined, I actually made a nice little profit. OPI. I'm actually up by $12.91 on that position, or 10.65%. And while it shows I'm down here on OPI, if we come over to the holdings, this is much more accurate. It shows I'm up 11.93%, which is much closer to reality. So anyways, Vector I am down on, and BGS I am down on. So that is the aggressive dividend portfolio. Nothing too exciting here, just deposited 50 bucks, added some shares. Doop doop. And let's see here. Yeah, we got at least one share in the majority of this portfolio, except for maybe about 10 positions, somewhere in that range. So yeah, that's the update this week, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you're having a great weekend. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.